Generative AI for everyone. Introduction. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of generative AI, starting with an overview of what it is and its rapid rise since 2021, highlighted by the release of ChatGPT. We'll delve into how generative AI works, what it can and can't do, and its significant impact on business and society. We'll also discuss how teams can leverage this technology effectively and address the risks and responsible usage practices. Finally, we'll look at various practical applications of generative AI, including writing, creative tasks, and customer service. Let us start step by step. What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence technologies that create new content, such as text, images, and music, by learning from existing data. Unlike traditional AI, which mainly focuses on analyzing or categorizing data, generative AI generates novel, contextually relevant outputs. It uses sophisticated algorithms and deep learning models to understand and replicate patterns in the input data. For example, a generative text model can write essays or articles by learning from various writing styles, while image-based models can produce new visuals inspired by existing images. Rise of generative AI from 2021 to date. Since 2021, generative AI has advanced rapidly due to improvements in model architecture and increased computational power. A major milestone in this progress was the release of ChatGPT by OpenAI in late 2022. Built on the GPT-3 model with 175 billion parameters, ChatGPT demonstrated exceptional capabilities in understanding and generating human-like text. Its success is attributed to its large scale, fine-tuning for performance and ethical use, and accessibility across various platforms. Following ChatGPT, generative AI technologies have expanded into diverse applications, including business automation, creative industries, and educational tools, highlighting its transformative impact on various sectors. How does generative AI work? Generative AI operates using machine learning models, particularly deep neural networks, which create new content based on patterns learned from large datasets. The process involves 3 key steps. 1. Training. The model is trained on extensive data to learn patterns and structures. 2. Generation. The trained model generates new content by predicting and assembling elements based on the learned patterns. 3. Fine-tuning. The model is refined to improve accuracy and relevance by adjusting parameters and incorporating feedback. What generative AI can and can't do. Capabilities. Create content. Generate text, images, music, and other media. Simulate conversations. Engage in natural language dialogues. Assist with tasks. Automate support, drafting, and summarization. Limitations. A context understanding may struggle with complex or nuanced contexts. Accuracy. Can produce incorrect or misleading information. A human creativity lacks true originality and emotional depth. Impact of generative AI on business and society. Business impact. Efficiency. Automates routine tasks, reducing time and costs. Innovation. Supports the creation of new products and services. Customer engagement. Enhances interactions with personalized content. Society impact. Communication. Changes how we interact with technology and each other. Education. Offers new learning tools and personalized educational experiences. Ethics. Raises issues related to misinformation and data privacy. How teams can take advantage of generative AI. Teams can utilize generative AI to streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks and content creation processes. Enhance creativity. Use AI to brainstorm and develop new ideas. Improve efficiency. Save time on data analysis and customer support tasks. Personalize interactions. Tailor content and recommendations to individual needs. Generative AI risks and responsible usage. Risks. A misinformation, Potential to generate and spread false or misleading information. Bias. Risk of reinforcing biases present in training data. Privacy. Concerns about data security and misuse. Responsible usage. Ethical guidelines. Follow standards to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. Transparency. Clearly indicate when content is generated by AI. Bias mitigation. Regularly review and update models to minimize bias. Data protection. Implement strong safeguards to protect user data and privacy. Examples of generative AI applications. Generative AI is applied in various areas. Writing, creating articles, blogs, and stories. Reading and chatting, facilitating conversations and understanding text. Brainstorming, generating ideas and concepts. Sales strategy, analyzing data and forming strategic recommendations. Press releases, drafting and editing formal communications. Translation, converting text between languages. Proofreading, checking and correcting grammar and style. Summarizing articles, condensing long texts into brief summaries. Call center conversations, extracting key points from customer interactions. Customer service chatbots, providing automated support. IT service chatbots, assisting with technical issues and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.